Hi guys, this is Tobias, DL3MHT, and I'm back with my bicycle mobile setup with the MFJ telescopic rod and a few radios hanging out here at the back of my bicycle. And today we try to test the set match that I've built. Here it is, and here is my IC705, and of course it's a bit pointless to bring a Z match when you have a telescopic antenna and you can just, pull it in and bring it on frequency. But maybe for 40 meter the Z match is useful. So I wanted to see if the tuning indicator works. So I've set it here to the band middle, and maybe, I don't know, we go down to not this CW pitch. We reduce the power to, let's say, 5 watts. And I can key up here with the hand mic. Not sure if you can see that. It's all a bit bright and dusty. But yeah, you can see that I can key up. So, let's see. Switch this to tune. Hit the... Okay, and this is where the mobile phone fell out of my hand, because keying up, holding the mobile phone and filming at the same time is a bit tricky. I have one hand, not enough hands, one is missing, so let me try that again now. Keying up and holding the camera and at the same time filming. Yeah, as you can see, it does not really switch off completely. But yeah, let's check with the Nano VNA if we got somewhere close to 7.1 megahertz now. So let me hook it up. And not sure if you can see that. You see my reflection, but not the Nano VNA. But we managed to get a SWR of 1 to 1.22. Which is, I guess, not so bad for this antenna, which is not really made for 40 meter at all. So yeah, in theory it seems to work. Let's try that on a higher band. Let me try the same on 20 meter. Maybe it's easier to tune there. I think here now we got it very nicely. So switch back to operate and cross-check with the Nano VNA. And we ended up here with an SWR of 1 to 1.236, so perfectly fine to operate. But I think with the Nano VNA, if it focuses on the screen, I could get it really down a bit better, like this. So yeah, the tuning LED works. That's the conclusion here, and it's perfectly fine to get your SWR into a range where you can start transmitting. So I consider this build a success, and next time I will probably bring a wire antenna like an NFET half wave and not the MFJ pole. So thanks for watching, and until next time. Bye!